This is the XAUUSD analysis for Friday, 11th of May. Now, let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we've had price come down towards this 13.05. We had a brief move up to test that 13.1750. Previously found resistance. We were saying from the last video that if we could hold above the 13.10, we're looking for a potential break of that 13.17, and if we did, we'd be looking for moves up towards our 13.20 and that 13.25 level. Now, what we did see was we did hold the 13. We did hold above the 13.10. And what we did see was a move back above the 13.58. We did see the successful break of the 13.17. Had a move here above the 13.20.25. But what we did do was coming towards the 400 period moving average. From the 400 period moving average, did see some sell-side momentum come into the market. Again, came back up for almost another test. And again, we did see a sell-side momentum briefly taking us back below the 13.20.25. Now, due to the fact that we've had a low, higher low, potentially higher low there, going to a bit of a price contraction squeeze here beneath the beneath this 400 period moving average. Looking for potential break if we can hold this 13.20.25. We can see the breakout and we can hold above the 400 period moving average. We're looking for moves up towards that 13.25. We had previously found resistance at minor level, but beyond that we're looking for moves up towards that 13.28. Successful break from which we're looking for moves up towards that 13.34.51. And beyond 13.34.51, we do have minor levels in around that 13.37. But ultimately, I'll be looking up towards that 13.40. Don't anticipate prices moving beyond the 13.40 here on Friday, the 11th of May. I'd expect the far end of the range to be in around that 13.40 if we can break above the very strong level of the 13.34.51 as well as the 13.28. Now, let's just have a look here at if we were to see a breakdown in prices. So if we were to see a breakdown beneath this 13.20.25, we're looking for moves down towards that 13.13.58 to see if we do find some supports there. And we previously found support there over a couple of months now in around 13.13.58. But if we do break from 13.13.58, we're looking for moves down towards our 13.07 and possibly down towards a very strong level from the daily chart with the added confluence of the 200 period moving average in around at 13.05. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing here. Scaling on here, correct? And as we can see on this daily chart, we've come down towards this very, very strong level here on this daily chart. Previously acted resistance, active support a couple of occasions, and we do have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average along with the horizontal level of around that 13.05. And again, he has held the support, and again we have seen that momentum follow through to the upside here on the XAUUSD. So we've had a strong close to yesterday's candle, closing near its highs, and we are seeing some bullish momentum follow through at present. So if we do see that follow through, we'll be looking for moves towards those areas previously identified. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.